Okay, I need to replace my heater core hose connector. The plastic piece broke off the end of it. And you can see it's in the end of the hose there. There's my new connector. Notice the tabs on the inside. We're going to have to use a quick release tool to push those in. This is it here. I'm using the Lyle 37000 and I'm using the white connector at the bottom. So you need to slide that on the pipe behind the connector and push it into the base of the connector so it can push those pins inside. Then just pull the connector straight off. And mine was still on too tight, so I'm going to have to use a pair of grip pliers, and it came right off. Okay, next remove the quick release tool. Then push the new connector on until you hear those tabs snap in place. And then give it a couple of tugs to make sure it's on tight. Okay, now I'm digging out the remnants of the old connector. Putting the clamp back on the hose, down away from the connector. Push the hose onto the new connector and move the clamp to the end of the hose. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.